Here is the photo escape. Let's go ahead and get started. That's the light right over there. In order to access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now we need to get the light out of the body. For that you need two tools, two screwdrivers, a small flathead screwdriver and a slightly bigger flathead screwdriver. Get the small one, put it right over there. There's a small notch just right there. Just push it in and then use it like a lever to pop that cap off. Now you will need to get the bigger one and get that one screw off. Let's go ahead, unscrew it, get the screw out and keep it somewhere safe. This is the only thing that's holding the light in place. Now the light comes out towards the side of the car, not towards the back. So just grab it and then pull it out towards the side. It'll pop right out. There are three pins which are holding it in place. 1, 2 and 3. They go in the three holes right over there. 1, 2 and the third one right there. Now that's the bulb holder for the turn signal. Just grab it, twist it left and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. There you go. The bulb size is WY21W. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And you see those two bit tabs on the bulb holder? They line up with the two slots in the light there. So that way when you put it in, it just drops in like this. Or else you'll be spending a few seconds just twisting and turning, getting it to line up. Either way, once it sits in flush like this, just twist your right to lock it and now you're done. Now these three pins need to line up with the three holes over there. So line them up and once it looks good, just give it a push inwards and now all we have to do is just get that one screw and put it back in place and tighten it down using the screwdriver. Now get this cap. You see this little notch on the cap? It should be pointing downwards right there. Just line it up the way I'm showing and then give it a push to secure it. Good. And that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.